Hey everyone, it's me, Julie. So, I was on my way taking my son to his friend's house for the night, and I passed by Burger King, and I found out they have these new things. I don't even know. MAC N Cheetos. I don't know if anyone's heard of these before, but I've been wanting to try them. So I got these to try as a taste test for you. And I also got some ranch sauce to dip it in. And I got a big Sprite. So let's see. I'm going to try this alone first, and then I'm going to dip it in the sauce. I'm so excited. I've never really had a mac and cheese bite before. I heard that the Cheesecake Factory had these. I don't think I've ever even been there before. But someone said that they taste like that. So, let's see. I'm sitting in the parking lot of Burger King because I really wanted to try these. Alright. Get this ranch dressing open. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It actually looks like a big Cheeto. Ooh. I don't know if you can see it. It's really sunny. It's really cheesy. To me, it kind of tastes like a jalapeno popper without the jalapeno, obviously. I'm going to try it with some ranch dressing now. The ranch brings it to a whole new level. These are really good. I don't know if you can see that. Let me put this down. Oh, there you go. See the macaroni in there? It's so good. Oh yeah. These are good. They're so cheesy. Rich. I love cheese. I'm a cheese girl, so. Whoop. These are right up my alley. How's everyone's day? It's about 7:15 right now, Friday night. An order of these came with 5 of them. Let me see how much. It's just a 5-piece for $2.69, which I think it's worth the money. And then I got a medium Sprite. Came to $5.22. Not bad. So tonight, my son Kevin, the older one, went to his friends for the night, and my other son wanted to sleep at his grandfather's house, and my father-in-law was like, why don't you just bring over the baby too? So all my kids are gone for the night. My husband's homesick, so I'll probably bring him home some soup. Just veg and watch the movies tonight. These are really good. I feel like it would be like a good snack. A quick snack. I've I've never really had anything like this before. I wonder if... I don't really taste Cheetos. I wonder if the outside is supposed to be made out of Cheetos. I don't know. If anyone knows, comment down below. Let me know what the whole point of mac and Cheetos is. I'm assuming it's the breading. But like I said, I don't really taste any Cheeto flavor. It's really cheesy though. My last one. Again, I'm dipping it in my ranch. I was never a ranch person, but lately I've been dipping like everything in it. And Burger King, I think, has the best ranch dressing ever out of all the fast food places. Wow. This is delicious. So, like I said, I'm going to go home tonight and watch a movie or something. And just relax, kid-free. Alright, so these, really good, really cheesy. They're from Burger King, called MAC N CHEETOS. Go out and try them. Really, really like them. They're good. Comment down below and let me know if you guys had them before. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And I like doing first impression videos. That's pretty cool. So if there's anything you want me to try, comment down below and let me know. Hope you all have a good weekend. Bye.